Hey, man, I need some money. It's the first of the month. Baby mama needs some money. Baby needs some shoes. I'm just gonna look on the internet and giving financial advice. I mean, what else can I do? I'm door dashing. I'm barely making man's meat. Check the check. Let me see what's up on the internet. First person I run into is Bandman Kivo.
Person go to school, graduate.
Hold on, I'm skipping it. What?
I never met one.
What are you talking about, dog? Let's get the statistics, bro. Stop pretending like 9 to 5 workers is a slave penitentiary. I mean, you boys is getting AC, you guys getting a check, and you not working for free. You getting housing, you guys got a job, you got a duty, you listening to your master. Okay, let's stop acting like every job is a penitentiary. College didn't make you rich, but it taught you the skills. Discipline and consistency build wealth, not what route you pick. I mean, yeah, high school and middle school, they don't teach us about money, but we still gonna carry on that to the next generation where we don't teach our kids about money. Like this whole millionaire sales and financial videos make it seem like once you got this amount of money, like you just set in life, nothing you have to worry about. You don't got no problems, you got no temptation, and you just get 100 times looking better. Like you still one of those, bro. I don't care how much money you got. I don't care. You had no money and then money came on your lap, bro. I'm still treating you the same, okay?
I have not seen one person go to school, graduate, get a job, and become a millionaire. I never met one. If we bring the people together and we teach them what they
bring who together? Bring who together? Your homie don't even support you, bro. You send me a video, he's just gonna barely even watch the video, not like it, comment. Not only do we not support each other, we out here trying to kill each other. What are you talking about, bro? If we come together, who? Where? Who's coming together? You talking about Casper? Who's coming together? The bus driver? Bro, no one is coming together, bro. Yeah, but we gotta come to reality. Ain't nobody coming together. There's too many animosity in the community. We gotta know how to talk among one each other and have respect for each other. We out here disrespecting each other through music, disrespecting ourselves, matter of fact, disrespecting our bodies. Come on, man, we not talking.
In 5 days, it'll put them 5 years ahead of everybody.
He owns the Metro too. Got a clean credit with an AI system. Hold on, that man knows some.
What? What is he saying, bro? I'm confused already in the video, bro. I'm just trying to learn how to make some money, dog. He said AI got good credit. What does AI have to do with got good credit, dude? Credit don't mean nothing. You over here teaching these people about credit. People don't even know how to write a budget. What is a credit gonna do for me, man? A credit score. What is a credit score gonna do with me? You gotta look at how the Hispanics roll. They roll with straight cash, money on deck. They don't have to pay that man. They don't have to pay no banks. They don't gotta pay nobody at the end of the month, but they have the money that they made in cash. If I go to buy a house right now, apply, it's gonna ask me how many assets do I have, and then how many money do I have coming in. That's all they care about. This depth of credit that I'm talking about is not gonna get me a house if I don't have any cash. So cash is king. I'd rather have $100,000 than a credit score, matter of fact. 800 credit score. I got an 850 credit score, guys. Yeah, I'm not staying around the whites in the neighborhood. I just got a new house downtown with an $800 credit score. No, I'd rather have cash. Cash is king. Cash is where your mouth speaks. Not credit. I'm talking off somebody else's money that I got loaned to me. A slave is always gonna be to the lender. The borrower is always gonna be a slave to the lender. I'm going to the bank. I got a credit card. I got child support payments. I let my single baby mama because I want to go be playing in the streets. I'm always gonna be a slave to the lender because the borrower is always gonna be slave to the lender.
You the 5 years ahead of everybody.
He owns the Metro too. Got a clean credit with an AI system. Hold on, that man knows some knowledge.
You know something.
What do you know?
They don't want to see you win. Who's hated? They don't want to. They don't want to tell you.
What? They don't want that. I'm glad we came upon one agreement, guys. They know they don't want you to win. But yet, you talking about if we come together as a community. Bro, we ain't being in reality right now. Okay? We know what we supposed to be doing, but yet we not doing it. So yet, in our community, we just talking, and yet we not moving the chess pieces. We know what we got to do. We can talk about that all day. We can talk about that for centuries. I mean, there's history in the Bible that talk about what we need to be doing. Yet, what's the point of me just sitting down right here and just telling us what we need to be doing instead of just doing it? And that's the thing about these finance videos. Let's keep looking.
Or get a better car, get a. Yeah. You're not going to tell me that because you don't want me to look better than you.
Exactly.
How was having a car and getting a G-Watch, all of these things looking better than you? That is a material looking thing. Somebody is not going to tell me I look better just because I got a car, something on my wrist, and a fake chain. I mean, I know that's what they put us on TV because these rappers is so-called killing each other in the neighborhood and promoting rap music of killing, drugs, and lust. But you telling me that person look better than me because he promoting that and he got a certain look. This is what's wrong with us. This is what's wrong with us. We want to get money to do this. We want to have money to impress others. First off, if you got money, you don't want people to know that you got money. You want to be living without, not the niggas in the Jones. You want to be living below your means and mixing in with society. You want to let people know, yet they know they put this on TV, rapping this music and showing us what they got promoting and killing in music. King Von, we got Nipsey Hussle, we got all of this little dirt music, but yet we still want to have that lifestyle to look flashy and we want to get robbed. Come on, man. We're not making sense, bro. We just asking to get robbed. Let's be honest. You want to have a nice car. You want to have flashy, materialistic things to get robbed. And you want to let everybody, hey, come rob me. Come rob me. Come rob me. Come on now. You don't have money if you over here wanting everybody to know that you got money. Let's just be honest. Because a real person that got something, they don't want to always show and fling it in everybody's face.
That pre-order Louis.
Yeah.
What are we talking about, man? I'm in 30 seconds in the video and we talking about designer and materialistic things, bro. I'm trying to learn how to make money. What is y'all talking about? Come on, y'all not giving no suggestions. It's the first of the month. I came into the finance video from us, my people, so I can learn how to make money in my community. But they talking about Louis clothes and how they look, bruh. Come on, guys. This is what's wrong, bruh. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm about to skip this video. I might just check somebody out that's in another community. Maybe cross the railroad, because this is not it, my brother. Come on, bruh. First minute, 2 minutes in the video. Thousands of debt in my credit card. I might as well go get a student loan, bruh. Because what you said, going to school, get a $32,000 student loan and go to college. I got a better chance of hitting than doing that, bro. I'm sorry. But yet, you never seen someone be a millionaire doing that. Oh, tell us how to become a millionaire doing that then. Because it's hard already, Gen Z getting a job right now. The job market is cooked for young people who trying to get older and restart their career and have financial wealth. So off the rip, it's not adding up. We gotta stop thinking about 9 to 5 being a cage, okay? We need to consider more that the 9 to 5 is a leap stone to where we want to do and dive into our passions. Protecting your peace, protecting your lease, protecting everything. The same way that you guys like to lease these cars, you like to lease these chains, you guys need to practice what you preach, and that you need to really focus on is your home. And tell them that your house is dirty, you're gonna have to clean it up. Somebody got to clean this thing up. I don't care if it's Alan, if it's Daquan, or it's Jesus. Somebody gonna clean this up, because we're not finna roll with a dirty house. And your house got to stay clean in order to move around this world. If you want to be a coon, just go with the world. The world is the biggest coon ever. And the world is gonna show you how you can be a professional coon. People who go to school and get a job, they don't become millionaires. And off the rip, I don't agree with that. I believe someone who was a janitor become a millionaire? Why can't they? There's some things that make you money, but what's the point of you doing that if you don't even have control of your decisions, your emotions, and you're not disciplined?